This is a quick little demo for the triangles and square calculator. This is the home page of quiltnotes.com. We go up to the top and click on reference and scroll down here. Here are the most current reference calculators you can use. We're going to use the triangle and square tutorial and calculator. So we click and scroll down. This tutorial will show you how to make the triangle and square unit using the TriRex tool or AccuQuilt. Sometimes this unit is called Peaky and Spike. Other times it's been called the V block. I call it the triangle and square. So here are some quilt blocks and quilts made with the triangle and square block. The first one is the TriRex step. This is a 3D illusion effect. And this is just made from triangle and square blocks. If you click on this, it will take you to the YouTube video to show you how to make this block. This is the Sea Snails quilt. It's kind of a combination of Storm at Sea and Snail's Trail. This uses the triangle and square block, and that's what gives part of this curve here. This tutorial is for AccuQuilt or paper piecing, and it includes the paper piecing foundation. So just click on that and you'll see the information in the description of the video. Next one is called Making Waves, and this has two sets of triangle and square units in each of the blocks. The blocks are actually the same blocks, they're just different colored fabrics. And you'll see it makes this wave effect, and it's all straight lines. And finally, there's the scrap garden, and you see here is the triangle and square unit, and it too makes this illusion of a curve using just straight lines. So the first thing is the TriRex tool tutorial. This is another video I did last year. This is part of the Block of the Day 2023, and this is 0728, which is July 28th. Jelly Roll Scrappy Star Quilt Block. This is also made with the triangle and square units. This video has in-depth demonstrations of how to make this unit with the TriRex tool and using the AccuQuilt, how to cut them and how to piece them. And then here are the AccuQuilt dies you can use. You can find these, they're shaped 13 and 14 in the companion set angles, if you are familiar with the cubes. So if you click on these that are highlighted, this will take you to the calculators for that entire set, the companion set angles, which is 4 dies. And here they are here. So this is the center, shape 13, and these are the sides, shape 14. You can do your calculations here. So if you wanted 20 units, you just type that in there, and this is the fabric requirements for the center triangle. And we'll put the same here, 20 units. And this is the fabric requirements and cutting for the sides. But this is just if you want to do this separate from the calculator we're working on today. So we'll go back to the triangle and square calculator. Here is the triangle and square calculator. Now this works for the TriRex tool and for the AccuQuilt dies. So first we'll put in the number that we need, let's say 25 units. And we choose a finished size. These go from 1 through 6 because that's what the TriRex ruler will handle. If you want a 1.5 inch finished unit, just choose the next largest size. So we'll choose the 2 inch size. And then here is the triangle center. This is the fabric and cutting requirements for the triangle center, and the same here for the sides. And that's the quick introduction to the triangle and square calculator. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and while you're at it, click the bell to be notified of future videos.